What's up, y'all? It's your boy Q. Out here at the car show in Benton, baby, at the State Fairgrounds, man. You know what I'm saying? Came out to have some fun with everybody, man. Look like I got a nice round of cars, man. So we finna go out here. Well, I'm here, so finna make it do what it do. I see my homeboy out here. So there's a lot of people parked out here, cause last time we couldn't park out here. You had to park out there. But finna see how it look out here, man. I like that. It's all original. That's what I love. I ain't touched.
Touched, but you know. That's what we're talking about. Like, I want to be a sleeper. And right now, I'm looking at the.
Do you have a mod? Are you going to go ahead and get a blueprint motor? Or
I'm gonna have. I got two 350s.
What's up, big dog?
Yo, what up?
I'm gonna get your phone number, man.
Yeah.
all the mess in the DM.
Yeah, I'm like, I need to get him my number.
Yeah, let's do a personal little stand-up interview.
I'm gonna have you do the truck and the car.
Oh yeah, I sure love to do that. I always see in videos and I see it on IG, but I ain't seen it in person.
Oh, you never seen the car in person?
No, I seen it flying down the street in person. I see you go, you skip, do.
Yeah.
Then I saw you took it down to 7A Chevy Boy stuff a clown down there.
Yep.
Boy, you done brought this thing back. So Kobe did both of the interiors.
Yeah.
He said he wanted to do mine. I said, I told him, I don't want nobody to do it but you.
You ain't seen the truck, hey?
Yeah, I seen it. I saw it last year when you put it. No, that was early this year when you put that wood in the bed. I like that.
Yeah, I done took the movie.
I saw it. You know, Rod showed me. I'm been around you. I got my drive. Hey. Oh, I thought he was already out here. This was one best G body right here. I done switched everything out. That car gonna be completely different.
That's the only thing I need to do is mine. Put my rear end in there and my disc brakes. That's the only thing I ain't done.
I'm throwing my rear end out. I'm finna put a brand new rear on there, showing it everything.
Got a disc brake on it. Put it in here. Just you put it in there yet. I got one. Got one.
Hey, make a lot of difference when you stop.
Oh yeah.
It's more nasty though. It's nasty, dog.
Appreciate it.
Woo. Same rims I got.
Oh yeah.
Just going. I'm mad because they go that direction. I really wanted to go a different direction. I see that pearl in there though.
Yeah. When that sun hit it, she shine.
Ooh, I see that pearl, boy.
Yes, sir.
22s?
Yeah, too.
Yep, that's why I got fours on my colors.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, the tools were pretty decent.
Yeah. You say you want the gold ones though.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, you got the stereo in there.
Yep, I got steering with a match.
And then put the floating screen in that motherfucker.
That flow screen cut. What is that?
Huh?
Alpine. Everybody going Alpine. I went Sony, but I think I'm finna go Alpine.
Alpine, where's that, man?
Man, I'm talking about my Sony. I don't really like it.
That Alpine enhances everything.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Everybody been getting the Alpine.
Yes, sir.
I love that pearl in that thing, boy.
Yes, sir.
Got the 8-track in there. Y'all know nothing about that right there. 8-track. I love it. I love the dashboard and everything. Ooh, I love these trucks. I love that box back there. Is that what a gas? No, it ain't gas tank. I like that Chevy. I says, keep them cold. Oh, you got them wildwoods on there? Oh, my boy Jesse gonna be mad. Jesse, look at that, boy. And he got the QA1 suspension on there. Boy, Jesse, he sleeping on them. Stabilize the box. Oh, you done redone all up under here. Yeah, I see you. I like this. Yeah. You know what you doing. I like that. What year is this? 85? 86? And Jesse, here's an 86. He gonna be mad he see this video. But he put a vortex in it. He put a 6.0 vortex in it. 6.2? Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh, he did not come to play with nobody. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Ooh, I know Jesse, boy, he mad. Ooh, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it's a lot of cars out here. It's a lot of beautiful cars out here, boy. They ain't playing at this car show, man. Ooh, look at this beautiful thing. This is sexy. Ooh, wait. The tire's shining like the paint. Got the door. I'm gonna get a better look over there. Ooh, I like the emblems, everything on here. This. Ooh. Smell good and everything.
All the good cleaning. All the cleaning supplies, man.
Yeah, it smells good in there. Love this paint job, boy. How long you had this?
About 25 years.
You like me. I ain't letting nothing go.
No.
that accent went all the way through it. That little accent.
Yeah.
Cause I see you got it right up in there. Oh, right there. This is nice. This yours? It's a beautiful car. Oh, got stick in this. I know they made them in the floor. Or you put it in the floor? Okay.
Cadillac.
Is that a Cadillac?
Yeah. Good power seats.
Woo! Yeah, you need to put some little extra in here. I like it. You got a digital dash?
Yeah.
This is beautiful. This is a nice car. Well, I am amazed today. This has been a lot of beautiful cars today, and this is one of them. I like to shake your hand. You said this is 60 what? 63? This is nice. This is nice. You did a wonderful job. Ooh, look how that door just closed. No slam, no nothing. Oh, excuse me. It's nice. He's showing how he did all up under there, y'all. Yeah, that's the perfect way to show. I did all that stuff. I need to do that with my car. But it's still in the shop. That is nice. Ooh. 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 What's that, a 6.2 in here?
Yeah, it was
66.
no, he's
Engine, that big old heart.
he's chilling.
Says a 6.0? I know they ain't no 5.3.
No, LS3. I think it's, yeah.
LS3?
Yeah.
That's a big old heartbeat.
letter, not Jeff R. Just Jeff R.
Y'all having fun?
Is that you? All good.
Long, long time ago, where all the younger gone to husbands everyone. When will they ever learn? When will they ever learn?
See you again.
I know, man. See, I saw you over there earlier when you were filming stuff. So
Yeah. That was me flying my drone around too.
No, I looked you up last time and found my truck on there and everything.
I love this truck. I didn't know you had that horn on there though.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's loud.
Okay.
Love these wheels. That's a ooh. Yeah, Cowboys.
Okay.
what I'm
If you bid on the car wash bucket, read per $30. Read per. You want the car wash bucket?
Just open the door. That's how you do it.
Alright.
Grab the door handle.
Sign off the table.
Oh.
Okay, if you bid on the Harley Davidson set,
Nice.
want to know? Want to know? Corey, want to know? $50? You got the Harley Davidson set. Thank you. Okay, if you bid on the Husky tool set, $100, it's Bill Gray. Okay.
Yeah, baby boy. We leaving the car show. Gotta get back to worky. Gotta get them coins up, y'all. But man, if y'all ain't subscribed, man, click that bell. Well, first subscribe. Click that bell. And next do it, let them know. You part of the team, baby. That boy Q team, you know what I'm saying? Click that bell to get the notification. Oh, she about to rub it online. Y'all have a good one out there. Like I said, man, I'm having fun out here at the car show. Better get back to work. Gotta get these coins up. Pockets low. It's time to go. And like I said, it's your boy Q. Thanks for watching, y'all.